This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start pairing now, so first enable Bluetooth on both the laptop and the peripheral and set the peripheral to discoverable. Make sure battery levels are adequate and move the devices within a few feet. Interference kills discovery. Next, close any apps that might seize audio or network adapters. VPN, audio mixers, and virtualization software can block Bluetooth. Once done, open your laptop's Bluetooth settings and begin the scan. Stay with me for the next steps to complete setup and confirm the connection. Now focus on software. Open Device Manager and find the Bluetooth adapter, update its driver, or roll it back if the problem started after an update. If the adapter is missing, show hidden devices and reinstall the vendor driver. Make sure the Bluetooth support service is running and set to automatic so Windows manages the radio properly. Run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter and the network adapter troubleshooter. These routines reset sockets and profile bindings that commonly block pairing. After fixes, retry scanning and pairing from the laptop. Finish by removing any previously saved pairing entries on both sides, because stale pairings often prevent a fresh bond. Then initiate pairing again from the laptop. Confirm PIN or code when prompted and allow any permission requests. If the device supports a Bluetooth reset, perform it to clear cached profiles. If pairing still fails, try the peripheral with a different phone or use a different laptop port or a USB Bluetooth dongle to isolate hardware. One key tip: test with another device first to determine whether the issue is the laptop or the peripheral.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.